Jordan from the Cruising Corner. Just wanted to pop on here and make a quick video for you guys. First of all, I want to apologize for our office space. It is an absolute shambles. We are actually trying to redecorate and kind of move some stuff around in here, so it is kind of a mess. So I just wanted to apologize for that before I got into the video today. Basically, the primary reason for this video is to discuss the Royal Up program through Royal Caribbean. So my husband and I are actually going on a cruise in a little less than 30 days with Royal Caribbean, and we're so excited. So we booked this maybe about 4 or 5 months ago, and we originally just booked an ocean view room, nothing special, no spacious ocean view. And about a month ago, I received an email asking if we'd like to Royal Up. So Royal Up is Royal Caribbean's version of the upgrading system. From what I've heard is Royal Caribbean did this to basically simplify all of the phone calls and all the hustle and bustle of people trying to upgrade their staterooms. And I know that Carnival and Norwegian also have their own versions of this as well. However, I've only used both Norwegian and Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean is what I'm going to talk about primarily today, and I just kind of want to talk about the process that I went through. I received an email asking if I'd like to Royal Up. And when you receive this email, you're given different options of what you can upgrade to. Depending on what cabin you have, depends on what you can upgrade to. So if you're in an ocean view, then you usually can get up to a balcony, maybe a smaller suite, not too sure. If you have a suite or a balcony, then you can basically bid higher, or for a higher valued stateroom. If you're interior, then usually it's ocean view, etc. For us, because we had an ocean view, we were able to bid for a spacious ocean view room, balcony, spacious balcony, and panoramic ocean view room. When you go to bid, you actually have just different options. So it's different, basically, bars. You can go in and you can choose the least amount that you want to bid and the most you want to bid. The one that I ended up winning, I think the highest went to like $1,000 and the lowest was around, I think, $70. So you could try $70, but you weren't guaranteed to win. For the lowest grade room that I was able to upgrade to, which was the spacious ocean view, the lowest I was able to bid was $20. So I was like, yeah, let's go ahead and put in a really low bid and see if we win. Because we were mostly interested in getting the balcony, I put in a little bit of a higher bid on that one, and we actually ended up winning that one. And we ended up winning the spacious balcony. We were super excited about that. There's nothing like being able to sit outside in the ocean air. It was a really interesting process though, and I kind of was able to figure out a couple different things. From what I've heard from other people, you can actually find out you won Royal Up usually within like 24 hours, or it can even be up to 1 day before you cruise. So there's no just cut and dry answer of when you're gonna get your Royal Up email upgrade. It's probably around when I got mine, which was a couple weeks after I placed the bid. From what I've heard in the past, there's a third party that Royal Caribbean uses who uses a formula to decide whether or not certain passengers or customers will be roiled up depending on what their bid was. So they use that formula to decide who qualifies, who doesn't get roiled up, who does get roiled up. I ended up upping my bid. So you can go in and edit your bid if you haven't received word whether or not you've gotten your upgrade. So I kind of went in there and tweaked it a little bit while I was waiting, and we got the upgrade, which I was so excited about. Basically, like I said, there's no way of knowing whether or not you are for sure going to be roiled up. There's no special way to submit it or anything like that that I'm aware of. However, from what I saw on Royal Up, what you basically do is you can go into your Royal Caribbean account and see all of the bids that you bid. So once you've submitted all of your bids, it'll say submitted, 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 and then you just kind of wait. Where it does say submitted, you can tell whether or not you got it or not before you get the email. So it'll say pending, basically the one that you got, and then others it'll say expired. So where it says pending, you can basically be guaranteed that you got that room. And so that's what mine said. I was actually super excited, but I was nervous whether or not that's what I was going to get. If that was meant, okay, you're gonna get the balcony room, or does that mean that I didn't get it? I'm not sure. So probably an hour or two after I saw that it said pending, I got the email that confirmed. I know some people that didn't get the upgrade until maybe a week or two later after we got our upgrade. And I know a lot of people get disheartened when they don't get the email immediately. Like I said, it can take up until about a day before the cruise. For some people, sometimes you can hear right away. So just keep an open mind about that. I just want to come on here and kind of go through my experience, and I was just so excited about it. I love getting those balcony rooms. We're really excited for this upcoming cruise because previously we had a Royal Up as well. So we're really excited to get that balcony room again. And yeah, so I'd love to hear any stories you might have with Royal Up, or any different ways that you've seen that maybe you've been able to win Royal Up. Just kind of comment below and let me know, and I'd be really, really interested to see your different stories with Royal Up. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to get on here again and talk with you guys about how our cruise went, and I hope you all have a great day.